All right, I got a bunch of Rad power bikes here, from the $1,099 RadMission to the $1,199 Rad Runner, the $1,599 Rad Rover, and the $1,699 Rad Wagon. Do a quick little look at these. This is a single gear 500 watt hub motor, 48 volt battery, 180 millimeter Tektro Aries brakes. It's got a little bell built in. It's got lights front and back, and a very minimalistic display. Okay. This is the Rad Runner, more of a utility bike. Obviously, it's got the rack in the back. You can actually add a bench seat that kind of integrates with that seat there, and it kind of becomes like one long bench seat. 22 by 3-inch tires. It's got this 16-inch scoop drop through for you to step over. It's got a dual kickstand, which is nice because it kind of lifts the bike off the ground a little bit. You can spin the tires. 48 volt battery. It's got these really cool BMX style handlebars, which I like. This is the Rad Rover, 750 watt hub motor, Tektro Aries brakes, 180 millimeter. It's got Shimano Acera 7 gear system. You can see there. It's got these nice fenders built in. It's got the front and rear light as well. It's got front suspension with preload and lockout, and it's got a really nice display, much more you know, dynamic, and it's got it's digital. And then there are the Tektro Aries and Shimano brakes and gears. Okay, and this is the last one. This is the Rad Wagon, $16.99, more of a cargo hauler. You could also put kids' car seats here, 2 different car seats. It's got this plastic protection to keep the kids' legs from getting into the spokes. It's got spots for 2 different foot pegs. It's got front and rear lights. It also has the same display as the Rad Rover, the same gearing, Shimano Acera 7-speed. It's got the Tektro Aries brakes, 180 millimeter, and it also has a 48 volt battery, as does the Rad Rover. And 750 watt rear hub. Apparently Rad Power makes their own motors for all these. I can say this one definitely has some hauling power. This one not as powerful as you would hope. It's being compared to the Himaway Cruiser, but I think it really has a 500 watt motor masking it as a 750. I think 750 is the peak power. When I look at the power outage meter when I'm riding it, the highest I can get even going up a hill is 749. So I think 750 is the peak, and it's a 500 watt motor, even though it says 750. This is a 750 watt motor. It's got some really nice power. It's got some low end torque. It's a single speed. If you had 9 gears, it would probably be gear 4. So it definitely helps you, you know, get going off the low end. It's got some hill climbing capability, and it's pretty powerful. Its motor is obviously is a lot more powerful than the more expensive Rad Rover, which is kind of crazy. And then you come to the RadMission. If you have 9 gears on a bike, it probably has gear 7. So really top end, no low end. It's really hard to get going from a dead stop. It has a 500 watt motor, and yeah, $1,099. So anyway, hopefully that gives you a sense of, you know, some of these bikes, how they compare to one another. Overall, nice quality, nice look, you know, good ride experience, and you know, Rad Power is a really prominent brand in this country, so you're not going to go wrong. Anyway, hope that helps, give you some insight. Please like, please subscribe, and God bless. Peace out.